Hey South Jersey, I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. Admittedly, during January, the beach can be a lonely place. And it's a very lonely place for this one guy here sitting along the beach in Sip Bottom, taking in the waves and the lack of sunshine here. We have high clouds overhead, and it's creating this milky sunshine look across the area. But still, we actually have high pressure at the surface. In fact, right overhead. And what we're seeing is a clockwise spin to the high pressure system. And notice what's happening. We have a northeasterly wind along the shore, and that's why we see humidity values around 64% in Seattle City. But as you get to the southwesterly winds, it's still dry air in Stoke Creek below 50%. Is it making a huge difference? No, but it's just pointing out the little differences that we can see in South Jersey's weather sometimes here. Now, everywhere we'll see rain as we go into Saturday morning here with the storm system. This is 4 a.m. No rain yet, but we have a strong southeasterly wind that will blow in, and I think by 6 o'clock we will start to see rain everywhere. A large slug of moisture is to our south and west, and that will pull through as the low pressure pretty much goes right over us. You could probably flip that high for a low pressure system 48 hours from now. We're anticipating roadway flooding with this as well, and that strong southeasterly wind. Winds flip to the northwest pretty much immediately into the afternoon on Saturday, and I think that rain does end between 12 to 3 p.m. With the southeasterly winds, we are watching for coastal flooding. It does look likely here, and it will be our first coastal flooding event since New Year's Eve. So that's a pretty good stretch for us during the winter season to go without coastal flooding. Luckily, this is an isolated incident. It should only be one cycle during the Saturday morning high tides. Should be minor to borderline moderate, and I think those higher values will be in Cape May County and in the Delaware Bay. You see here in Atlantic City just getting into minor flood stage. What does minor flood stage mean? No damage to homes or businesses, but you're going to want to move your cars if you need to and be prepared for road closures on Shore Road in Absecon, White Horse Pike, Black Horse Pike, as well as other bridges going to and from the mainland and the shore, as that water tends to collect sometimes right at the base of the bridge there on either side. You can track along with me for the latest on this storm on social media and our website. For this afternoon, temperatures in the mid-40s here. Milky sunshine is what we'll call it. Seasonable weather, light and variable winds. Winds will be calm tonight with that high pressure overhead. Temperatures in the low to mid-30s here, slowly thickening clouds. And as we go into the night tonight, we do have some areas that are in a code blue here. Atlantic County will be in a code blue, as well as Cape May County. So if you do need the heat, there are resources available to you. For Friday, temperatures will be in the upper 40s here, cloudy and gloomy, but also mild and dry. If we had sunshine, I think we'd be in the 50s here. Looks like we're going to be just shy of that. Mainland 7-day forecast. Let's get you into Saturday. 53 degrees, rain mainly during the morning. Then as we go into our day on Sunday, it is windy from the north and west, and we'll have a northwesterly wind from Monday and Tuesday as well as Wednesday, but no real cold air behind it. We just get back down to seasonable, and then as we go into Wednesday, should be warming up to near 50 degrees. For the latest in South Jersey weather, you can follow me on social media, or you can sign up for my Something in the Air newsletter, which comes out tonight at thepressofac.com/weather.